What makes enforcing child abduction return orders difficult? Imagine trying to bring a child back home, but hitting a wall that seems to grow taller with each step. Enforcing child abduction return orders can be a complex process, and many factors make it challenging. When a child is taken across state or national borders, different laws and rules come into play. Each jurisdiction has its own procedures, which can slow things down or cause confusion. For example, a court order from one state might need cooperation from law enforcement in another state, but that cooperation isn't always quick or guaranteed. International cases add another layer of difficulty. The Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction offers a legal route for returning children to their custodial parents. However, not all countries are part of this treaty. If a child is taken to a country that hasn't signed up, parents face a longer, more complicated legal process without the streamlined procedures the treaty provides. Even when the Hague Convention is involved, courts must decide if the child's removal was wrongful and what is in the child's best interest. These decisions can lead to lengthy hearings and appeals, delaying the process further. Law enforcement cooperation is also a big hurdle. Sometimes courts issue orders for police to pick up the child and return them, but police may hesitate or lack the authority to act, especially if the child is in a different country or jurisdiction. Without clear cooperation, enforcement can be delayed or even blocked. Legal issues can become even more complicated if there is no custody order or if different courts issue conflicting orders. Without a clear legal document stating who has custody, proving wrongful removal becomes difficult. This weakens the case for enforcement. Emotional and psychological factors play a role too. The parent who took the child might hide their whereabouts or resist court orders. They might also use legal delays to keep the child away longer. Courts often consider the child's well-being and wishes, which can make enforcement sensitive and tricky. In practical terms, enforcing child abduction return orders needs quick legal action, experienced lawyers familiar with both domestic and international laws, and close cooperation between courts, law enforcement, and government agencies. Support organizations that work on international child abduction cases can be helpful too. Despite all these efforts, jurisdictional issues, legal hurdles, and enforcement challenges make the process tough, but understanding these factors can help in navigating the complex world of child and parental rights.